Yeah, we are actually in the best job in the world, that is 5.8 cleaning and seeing this place every day again and again. Yeah, it just doesn't get bored.
What you see here, this is the secret tool that we have, and this is the only thing that we can use to clean the 5.8.
I can name a lot of them. Yeah, for example, manta ray, eagle ray, Napoleon fish, big grouper, sharks, etc.
What takes apart is actually the small macro life, like the small nudibranchs and things that you will never find it anywhere. I would say this is the small things that makes it special for me cleaning 5.8, and I always look forward for those, because in a normal dive you don't find it. It's not possible at all with the current and everything. But at 5.8,
I thought you get special when you see the moray.
moray is special, but the macro, the small ones. Yeah.
He is my first ever instructor. Yeah, he taught me how to dive.
At the beginning, he was a little bit nervous, I would say. But I was like, why are you nervous for? You live here, you grew up here, and everything was fine. And I just took him down one day, and then I told him to take off the mask and just to see if you can breathe. And then after that, it was all good. For me, the best part I would say is being underwater. And being like, you're always going with some person that you know and you trust. So you know if there's something happen to you, he's going to be right there next to you. And just for both of us to be underwater alone and just not care about anything else, that's the feeling. That's the best part, sure.
Do you trust me?
Yeah, because I teach you.